To use a Visa gift card on Amazon, start by logging into your Amazon account and navigating to the Payment Options section. If you do not have an Amazon account, create one and sign in. Once you are logged in, click on the Account and Lists tab. Then select Payment Options from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Add a credit or debit card and enter the Visa gift card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to register the gift card by providing the card information and your name and address. Then click Add Card. Now that the gift card is registered, proceed to the checkout process by adding the items you want to purchase to your shopping cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the Proceed to Checkout button and select the Visa gift card as your payment method. If the gift card balance is less than the total cost of the items, you will be prompted to add another payment method to cover the remaining amount. Enter the additional payment information and click Continue to complete the purchase. It is essential to note that some Visa gift cards may have restrictions or fees associated with them, so make sure to check the terms and conditions before making a purchase. Additionally, keep in mind that you can only use one Visa gift card per transaction, but you can use multiple gift cards in combination with other payment methods. To avoid any issues during the checkout process, ensure that the Visa gift card is activated and has a sufficient balance to cover the purchase amount. Also, be aware that some sellers may not accept Visa gift cards, so it is crucial to check the seller's policies before making a purchase. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use a Visa gift card on Amazon and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility it offers. Remember to always check the gift card balance and terms before making a purchase. And do not hesitate to contact Amazon customer support if you encounter any issues during the checkout process.